Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Impala key fob here. It works for these models. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is press this button to open your mechanical key like this. It will make the process easier, and when you open the mechanical key, this key over here, and now you need to remove this piece over here. This is the back piece right here, and the easiest way to remove it is from this position. When you remove the mechanical key, there will be some hole, and now use your thumbs to press this up like this, push up this cover, and you'll be able to remove it very easily. And right after that, when you remove this back piece, you will zero that battery over here. Now, to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, in the same place you need to insert your new battery like this, push beneath this piece, insert it here, and when you insert the battery right here, make sure the positive side here is facing up. This step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take this piece again, make sure you align it perfectly like this. Everything have to fit together nicely, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.